welcome to my channel, Shrapnel's Workshop. In this video I'm going to be making a powerful slingshot pistol based roughly after the design of a 22 silenced Ruger. So make sure to stick around till the end of the video where I'll be testing this new slingshot pistol out. So, before I take the Slingshot gun outside and test it out, I just wanted to take a second to let you guys know that I recently made an online store on eBay, and I've slowly been adding things to it as I go. The link will be in the description if you guys are interested in checking that out. I'll probably be making an Etsy store at some point in the future as well. One of the main things that made me pick this particular shape and design of Slingshot gun is that I wanted to make something that was a little bit more of a budget option in comparison to some of the more detailed Slingshot guns that I've done in the past. Because whenever you're looking to craft something to sell it, especially if it's handcrafted, the main things that determine its cost is things like well, how much time it takes you to craft and how much materials are involved in it as well when you're crafting it. So in that respect, hopefully this will be a good little budget option for anyone looking to buy a Slingshot gun. Well, enough self-advertising from me for the now. Let's take this thing outside and test it out. Okay, I'm going to shoot some cans using 9mm steel ball bearings. Okay, 9mm steel ball bearings again, and this time I've filled the cans with water just to weigh them down.
was just remembering where you have to line it up to, because the centre of this has to be lined up to the top of that, and I was kind of forgetting because other slingshot guns I've used. So yeah, these two here, the ball bearing actually went inside. You can see the holes there. And the other one's just got like really badly dented. But I would say for a small slingshot pistol, that's pretty decent. So yeah, I was very happy with how the project turned out. There was actually a section earlier on where I was test shooting this slingshot gun, and I didn't hit one of the cans dead on. I sort of glanced it and it ricocheted, and I hit another can, so I got 2 cans with 1 shot. I kind of surprised myself a bit in the process. Here's the clip. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like and maybe also a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know if you like how the project turned out in the end. And if you have any future ideas for, you know, future videos, then please feel free to let me know. I might just do them. Please make sure to subscribe so as I can continue to make videos much like this one in the future. I really appreciate everyone who's subscribed to my channel so far. Thank you very, very much. And yeah, as I said earlier on, I recently made an online store. The link is in the description. Feel free to check that out if you want. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next video.